Good afternoon and welcome to a special edition of Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. I have some important news for options traders out there. Today's NDX Jan 26 weekly expiration was the final AM settled weekly option on the Nasdaq 100. Now next week will be the first PM settled weekly option on the Nasdaq 100. That's called the NDXP with the February 2nd expiration. Then after that, the weeklies are February 9th, February 23rd, and March 2nd. NDXP is settled on the closing price of the Nasdaq 100 on the day of expiration and is part of the NDX options chain. Monthly options, the third Friday of the month, will continue to be traded under the ticker NDX, and they will remain AM settled. Now, this is where it gets interesting and why the weekly February 2nd PM settlement is important. On Thursday after the close on February 1st, that's earnings for Apple, Amazon, and Alphabet, three of the largest companies traded on the index. Traders with NDXP in their portfolios will be able to trade the Nasdaq 100 weekly expiration through 4 p.m. on the day of expiration, where in the past, NDX weeklies were settled on the opening price of the index and the trading ceased at 4:15 the Thursday before, and that's what creates that overnight gap risk. For more information on NDXP PM settled options, please visit the website that you see below. And as always, on Twitter at Nasdaq at Jill Malandrino and hashtag TradeTalks for the latest on NDX, NDXP, and for all the latest trends for traders.